like it. I just don't want anyone to think the car can't make a turn.
Right. Just in case.
Hold up. We could add some corners.
I'm just not feeling that this super aggressive driving is going to resonate with the target demo. I mean, who actually watches these sorts of films?
Okay, how about this? Supra cruising through a city at night, okay? Your classic sheet metal car spot. Driver takes a wrong turn.
Okay.
Sounding good.
Sounds better. More of what we've done before.
Suddenly he finds himself in the middle of a drift race.
Wait, what?
Does it have to be a wrong turn? Can we utilize the navigation to make sure the driver takes the right turn? Huh?
Turn left onto West Temple Street.
That navigation is such an exciting feature. Thrill of the road.
So no aggressive driving.
No.
How about not driving?
Hero front 3/4 angle beauty shot.
Burnout. A celebration.
Burnout?
So cool.
Can we do it without the smoke?
And can we do it with the VSC on so the car doesn't lose traction?
Okay.
How about pizza delivery?
Okay.
Okay, trash truck plows through the delivery bikes. Formula D driver is waiting for his pizza. Says he'll deliver them in his Supra.
How about Freddie? He would be great at
Oh
this.
my gosh, yes, he would drive it like he stole it.
Stole it. We can't have any criminal intent or associations with theft. Come on, guys.
He wouldn't be stealing any pizza.
So what would he be stealing?
Nothing.
What?
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 What? Fast Freddy's Pizza?
Love that.
Okay, let's go.
I've got one. Can't we do something about the hatchback making a really practical car for grocery shopping?
Oh, I see it.
Trunk volume.
How would a Supra driver do the grocery shopping? Awesome.
Yeah.
I like the idea of a female presence. But the driver should really be wearing a helmet. Oh, and a race suit. You know, just to really show that it's not real.
Don't we want it to feel real?
No.
No. Why don't we just do a jump off a ramp into the sunset? 2000s internet style.
Will all 4 tires maintain contact with the pavement at all times?
Can we make this go viral? People like to